I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who grew up taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm gone with these fucking crowds. I'm all time, they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
The colorful one.
This color, okay. Oh, happy birthday. You don't need this one. Discount already.
Yes. Can it use the coupon?
No need.
No need? Ah, yes, it's my birthday. $340. Ah, grabe ang napagastos ako dito ng 2,000 pesos. Bigla ang gastos. Remembrance, guys. Can you put a happy birthday also? Can...
use the mobile, you scan this QR code, you can download the digital in your mobile.
Okay. Photos will be expired in 60 days. Okay, okay. Kung gusto ko may sarili akong kopya. Nanginginig yung kamay ko sa ano ko kanina, sa kakahawak ng cable car. Kita nga lang yung varicose doon sa ano ko. Sa souvenir photo ko. Kita yung varicose.
155.
Okay. Nakasales. Ginagawa pa yung aking okay. Okay. Sorry. Souvenir shop. Yan, kumuha ko niyan yung yellow. Ang patungan. I'm not yet finished now. The 6x6, the 6 hour photo finish. Oh, I thought this one. Oh, only the. Okay. Completed. Thank you. $20. kailangan ko maglaro para magamit ko to. Okay, let's go na. Ay, Diyos ko, hindi mo ako mapapasakay sa mga ganyan. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is, saan tayo pupunta? You are here daw. Ito na lang, dito na lang tayo. Sa may simple lang. Yung walang feel. You are here. Ocean Express. So, dito.